evening and a very warm welcome to everyone present. I am Singh, founder of Green Concrete Products, where we stress on meeting the needs of today without really compromising on the future. My business idea is to open a production facility to produce concrete products that are green, that are environmentally friendly, and that are sustainable in the long run. Let me ask you a few questions, or should I say, inform you about a few eye-opening facts. Did you know that cement industry adds up to 5% of the total man-made carbon dioxide emissions into the atmosphere, and it makes it amongst the 5 major contributors of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Approximately 900 kgs of carbon dioxide is emitted for every ton of cement production, and to just let you know, we consume approximately half a ton of cement for every cubic meter of concrete produced. So making an approximation of the total carbon dioxide emission is not very difficult. The use of conventional concrete is the major contributor of urban heat island effect in major developing nations, which leads to higher consumption of energy. Going by the way we are and following the same practices in construction, it is not going to leave us with more than 150 years of fresh air to breathe. All this is just the tip of the iceberg. The real problems are much more grave and deep. The solution to all these problems is adapting to a green construction practice, which involves using locally available raw materials, industrial byproducts, and renewable sources of energy for sustainable construction practices. The development of green cities around the world is a clear indication that people today are wanting to change to healthier construction practices, which are environmentally feasible and sustainable. So what do we do different at Green Concrete Products? At Green Concrete Products, we follow the green concrete production practices. We use industrial manufacturing byproducts like GGBS, fly ash, and rice husk ash as a byproduct for the manufacturing of concrete products. These raw materials reduce the amount of cement to be used by up to 70%. Thereby, the total carbon footprint of end product reduces. The end products made of these raw materials are also of better quality, durability, and strength. What do we have to offer? We basically provide green construction solutions. In addition, we offer our customers a chance to bring about a positive impact on the atmosphere by the use of environmentally sustainable products. Opportunity to reduce carbon footprint of the end product. Reduction in cement consumption by use of industrial byproducts. A chance for customers to develop their own design patterns and color patterns. We offer technical assistance to precisely calculate the coverage and consumption of our products. In-house concrete technologist with a wide range of experience. Solution for need of green products in the construction industry. A one-stop solution for varied concrete products needs. What are the advantages of our products? How are our products different from those available in the market? Our products are not just green, but also come in a range of colors, design, and shapes, which will be of great interest to landscaping companies, architects, and developers alike. Our products are easy to install, while traditional concrete practices where there is a lot of material and time wastage. Our products come in ready to install packaging, and no waiting period before use is essential. The ultimate compression strength is also 3 times higher than the conventional concrete used. Our products are very low on maintenance with over 50 years of life expectancy and are very easy to replace in a very short span of time and cost. Replacement does not include long road blockages, but just matter of few working hours during the night hours or during the off-peak hours. Thus there will not be any congestion of traffic, no hamper to the people traveling. Also, the installation and replacement do not cause any sound pollution and affect the surroundings, unlike in case of conventional concreting practices. Our products have very good finishing and are not prone to cracking due to steam curing and storage before dispatch. Also, there is a possibility we provide to our customers of coming up with special personal design and color patterns. Our customers basically include road contractors. Nowadays, many interior and main roads in India have started to use paver instead of traditional concreting and asphalting practices. Both the reason it's being cheaper and also the installation and replacement is quick. Our customer also includes architects, building contractors, landscaping companies on a huge scale, and the existing customers of the clay bricks manufacturing unit existent in India. So the competition, practically there's zero competition in the field of green concrete products manufacturing. This is because it's a totally new technology as well as a development in the field of concrete. There's a lack of awareness as of this moment about the various byproducts from manufacturing industries that can be used as a replacement for cement and thereby reduce the carbon footprint as well as make the end product more sustainable and environmentally friendly. There's lack of skilled concrete technologists who have a basic idea and a love for designing products that are feasible and that are environmentally friendly. Let me just run you through the process of production of these paver blocks. As you see, there's a raw material storage which includes the aggregates, the sand, the cement replacements, water and admixtures. All this in varied proportions as per the research and development is fed into the mixing and batching unit, which in turn mixes the material and releases it into molds. Now these molds are available in a varied designs and are available in plenty. All it's needed is to change the molds in the mold area and you can have different shapes. Once the material is into these molds, a vibrator and a compression machine compresses this particular product, the concrete, into the molds, and it's led over the it is led out of the machine. It is then kept for storage and curing. Curing basically to achieve strength. The concrete products need to be cured for a minimum of 7 days so that it achieves the required strength necessary for transport and for installation. Once this period is over, it is transported on these special trucks mounted with cranes so that it is easy to load, unload and dispatch the products. So this is basically the process of manufacturing paver blocks. Our green concrete products is basically going to be an offshoot of the existing refractory brick manufacturing unit present in Kolkata, India. The partners would be Mr. A.K. Singh, he's the owner, and myself, Manas Singh. The location is in Kolkata, West Bengal. Now the market is booming. The construction industry is really doing very well in West Bengal, and there's a big need for green concrete products in the market. It's a family-led business, and we estimate the production facility to yield 40,000 units per day of paver products. Now, let us just run through the financials that we have worked upon. We have it split into the first 3 months and later. The first 3 months, we have a time period of about, for 3 months, the production per day is about 40,000 units. We have estimated a working day of 78, and for every trip to the site, there would be about 5,000 units of paver block transported. Now here we see the paver machinery's cost. We have two numbers of them, the paver molds, 100 numbers, storage and curing chambers, the raw materials cost, the electricity that would be needed for the running of the machinery, the setup cost, that's a one-time cost, the government approvals that would be needed, the transportation cost calculated on a 78 days working period. We have the maintenance cost that's quite low at the initial stages, which would eventually increase later. The operational cost for the plant and forklifts, labor cost at 10 labors per day. So the total cost, the revenues that we would earn at 5 rupees per paver block, and the production raw material was just 3 rupees per paver block, and the profits were a little less. But however, when you go to the next sheet, for post the first 3 months as a monthly analysis, the production remains same, the transport remains same. However, as you see, the paver machine and the molds have depreciated on a straight line basis. The raw materials remain same, the cost same at 3 rupees per product. The energy cost per month is 50,000. We have the transportation cost remaining same for 26 working days in a month. The maintenance cost has increased substantially because as the machine would grow old, it would wear and tear. There would be more of part replacements, so we increase the cost there. And at the end, if you see, we have a substantial profit per month through this business venture. Now, taking into consideration the profits that we earn, our future plans would be to venture into masonry block production by June 2012. Masonry block productions would help us venture into development projects, into building projects. We would like to venture into precast element production also by January 2013, which would make it easy for sites with less space, sites which need ready-made walls, ready-made windows. We could just help them with that. We would like to come up with a second manufacturing unit for paver blocks in Kolkata by May 2013, depending on the response to the first unit. We would like to add the concrete tile manufacturing facility by December 2013. And later on, seeing the feasibility and doing the feasibility study, we would like to add 2 new manufacturing units, one in Gujarat and one in Mumbai by 2014, but they would be under joint ventures. So this is the plan for green concrete products. Thanks for listening. Cheers.